Good morning. It's Thursday. We are closely approaching the end of the week. And my, oh my, how a couple of days can make such a huge difference in this state. We had 103, I think, on Monday. And now we're seeing some potential rain. I saw a couple of raindrops on my way into work. Amy's busy, very busy.
I saw one raindrop.
One?
One.
Are we going to see more than one?
I think we're going to see more eventually, but it's going to be later today. The storm's kind of held up in California right now, so.
Temperature's much lower, though.
Much lower, 81 today. That's
81. Wow, what a big break for us. So she's going to tell you about that. Also, what we're going to see going into the weekend. Brandon, how's it going?
It's going well. How are you?
What's going on, man?
Dude, I can tell you the light sprinkles.
Did you just call me dude?
I called him. He's my dude.
I love
What's
it.
up, dude? The light sprinkles are not wreaking havoc on the roads just yet.
Yeah.
But I will be tracking the commute all morning long and let you know if anything pops up.
All right, and we've
Dude.
got your news coverage. Thanks, dude. We're talking SB 1070. Connie's over there with her hairspray and her mirror, primping. Hi, Connie.
Hi, how are you? I'm saving the world. I'm actually anchoring over here.
I'm saving the world, she says. All right. We got to bounce, but we've got all your headlines, SB 1070, big stuff going on with that, the latest on that. And a statue in Tempe, a naked statue, causing a bit of a stir, and what they're doing to literally cover up this statue. 4:30 till 7 o'clock. We'll see you on TV. Happy Thursday.